Okay. Okay. Our internet must not be all that great today. Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Grandma Tanner. As you know, Grandma Tanner had hip surgery on Monday, the 11th. I should know this, I'm her daughter. But so she's not here today, but Kelly is standing in, Grandma Kieser. Grandma Kieser is what her grandkids call her. And she is worked for us for how many years?
This is 10.
10. 11. But the Tanner family, we have known Kelly for a lot more years than that.
Yep.
So she's a neighbor, lives about 5-7 miles away. Oh yeah, now you're in town. But she will be cooking, hold that up. Tanner's
salsa.
Peachy salsa chicken.
Yep.
And then we'll talk a little bit about our salsas. So go ahead, Kelly.
All right, so this is a very easy recipe to do. So what I did ahead of time is I took a pound of chicken, and you are supposed to cut it into cubes. So I did that. You add some oil into your cooking pan here, and you can hear it sizzling. I've got it cooking. And you add cumin and chili powder over your chicken. Cook your chicken, and this is almost done. It pretty well is done here. And then once that is cooked, you add 1 cup peach salsa.
It smells so good.
It does smell good. And 1/3 of a cup peach preserves. I'm going to scoop that.
Oh. So you could probably do it with the apple salsa.
Oh yeah, you could probably do it
apple butter or apple
with any one you like. Yeah. Now you are going to put this over your chicken, but I'm going to dump them in here together and mix them. Stir them up. Just give it a little stir. Get that jam and salsa mixed. It is a little bit runny, but
that's all right.
Yep, it's all mixed up there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just pour it over the chicken. We're going to stir that up. Now it does say to simmer for
20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes, cover and simmer. So I am just going to let that simmer. We got our oven on 3, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to let that simmer, and that is all you do with that. Now it does call for cilantro, which we did not have cilantro. Some people like cilantro, some people don't. So I just sprinkled parsley. You could do parsley, cilantro. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. And I think if it was me making this at home, I would probably add maybe a little bit of sour cream, just because you've got the salsa and the chicken, to spice it up a bit. So
yeah,
very easy recipe.
And you can use it for like tacos or.
Yep. And I was thinking if you're gone during the day, you could take your chicken breasts and throw them in the crock pot and cook them, and then come home, cut them up. They'd already be cooked, and then all you'd have to do is simmer. You could do that.
You think you could just throw it all in the crock pot?
You probably could. Yeah. And you could even, I had for supper last night those mesquite chicken breasts from Sam's that are already cooked, that kind of already have a flavor. You could do that. So very easy recipe. And you know, if you wanted to grill your chicken to not heat up your kitchen in the summer, you could do that too. So
and I did have a little taste of it. It was really good.
It smells really good in here.
Yes, it smells good.
Yeah. So that is recipe for this week, and we're going to talk about our salsas.
And I'll post the recipe after. Sorry, the recipe last week did not get posted. I was not available to do the recording, and I never forgot to go take a picture, and I don't know where the recipe is. So maybe I'll get it. It was a blueberry
Yes.
thing.
Somebody did request that recipe, so
Yeah.
if we find it, we'll post it.
Yep. But I don't know if you guys all know, we have lots of salsa. We have corn salsa, peach salsa, what we just used today, apple salsa. I can't, it's hard to see. The pineapple mango, smoky chipotle, cilantro salsa. So they're all good for something. They're all good on chips. But we will go through them here. I like the corn salsa on chips, but I also like to pour it over chicken breast in my crock pot.
Yep. Yep.
And cook it, and then I put a little taco seasoning on it and cook it for like 6 hours on low. And then I take a mixer, hand mixer, electric hand mixer, and shred it. Just hold the lid over it as you do it, because you make a mess. And then I make chicken tacos or enchiladas. Peach salsa, really good on chicken. Probably really good on, Grandma Tanner's done pork before. Applesauce, great on pork. We use it in the Old Market Eatery for our apple pulled pork nachos. We use the apple salsa and the apple butter barbecue sauce on them, and that is really good with pulled pork. The pineapple mango is just delicious on chips, but what we thought maybe it'd be good on chicken or pork.
Pork, yeah.
The smoky chipotle, we use that in the Old Market Eatery, and that is really good on brisket. So we make a smoky chipotle brisket nachos, and then we also have a smoky chipotle barbecue that we use on that. And then the cilantro salsa, Brenda, my daughter, uses it on her, she makes breakfast tacos.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's really good on, we use it on the taco salad on Tuesdays in the cafe, Apple Bin Cafe. We use it on tacos, enchiladas.
I think any salsa
So,
you
yeah.
could use Mexican-wise.
Oh, yeah. But that one's really good with beef or chicken on a taco or any kind of that. So.
And my favorite with the corn, is that corn?
Yep.
Corn and the peach
Oh, yeah.
is your chili recipe that you posted. Excellent, excellent, excellent chili. It's the best chili I've ever had. So maybe
We'll have
closer
to-
to fall we'll have to do that again, but it is really good. I never would have thought to put the two salsas in chili, but
And that was a friend of mine from
yes, that's what you
Goodfield.
said.
Yeah,
Yes, it is so good.
Jennifer.
It is so good. So
But yeah,
yeah, so I don't know, did you get a picture of that?
Oh,
That's
no.
all done.
that's all done. Let's
So,
see how this
yep,
is going.
I got a,
It says I'm going live. Blake says hi, but I haven't gotten any other.
so that's our chicken after it's been
Tell you.
simmered a little bit.
Hot.
Well, that's,
That is really good.
yeah, it does smell really good. You know, you could, well, you know, you could
You
even
put
cook
over
your,
rice.
well, and it does say to put it over, well, on the website where we got the recipe, it does say you could put it over rice and had a picture with the rice. But yeah, you could even just cook your chicken the night before and like you said, throw the whole thing in the crock pot on low. And quick supper when you come home.
All right. Well, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll post the recipe and come out and try our salsas. And,
Yes,
and
very
this
good.
year we have the corn, the peach, and the apple. Those are our 3 top sellers. We do have them all this year in quart jars. Last year we just had the corn salsas, so that's new for this year. So thanks, Grandma Kieser,
Yep.
for helping us out today. And Grandma Tanner is recovering well. She was down here the other day for her birthday, and she just didn't want to come. She can't stand a long time.
Yep.
So, all right, we'll see you guys all later.